feel you're lucky? I'm going to share some interesting psychological fact about luck here. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shakti Bharati. I'm a psychologist, psychotherapist, also corporate trainer. Let's get into the session now. Yes, I'm going to share something interesting here. Actually, there was a piece of study which has been conducted by Stanford college graduate students. You know what they did? They have given all the people, they have taken almost hundreds of volunteers, and they've given New York Times paper to everyone to read. And they asked them to find out how many headlines are there and how many photographs are there. They just have to count it, and they'll have to tell them at the counter, so they'll get $100. So this is how they have conducted the test. The experiment went on like this. So what happened? There was a small text which has been given in the first page itself, the text, small text. If you are reading this text, the experiment is over, go and collect extra $150. So like that it is written in the newspaper. So the newspaper has been given to everyone, New York Times. Everyone they started, it was almost 30 pages, the newspaper. Everyone they started counting. And invariably, of course, by and large, many people, they counted all those headlines and collected $100 and gone. But the interesting fact here is, those who themselves, who felt themselves they're lucky, almost 80% of them, they ask them who are lucky, they say they feel they're lucky, they are able to look at the first page. And without spending so much of time, they are able to look at the text. If you are reading this, the experiment is over, go and collect $150. They were able to spot out, and they were able to read the text, and they were able to collect the money immediately, $150 extra. Within few seconds, the experiment was over. But whereas the other people, those who felt they are not lucky, they put so much of effort and they spent so much of time, and they have counted everything, and they collected the money and gone. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, if you feel you're lucky, you will have more good hormones in you. Like, you'll get more positive vibe in you. You'll have more serotonin, more oxytocin, and you feel happy. The moment you feel happy, you'll have more attention what you're doing. So if you are able to give more attention, your peripheral vision will get open up. So you will be able to see the opportunities wherever it comes on your way. Even if you don't expect something, you can identify that. But whereas if you don't have this kind of attitude, if you don't have this kind of thought in you, what will happen? You never expect anything on your way. You'll not be able to look at the opportunity, even if it comes in front of you, because it is a cognitive distortion. So this will hide everything, and you will not be able to look at. So if you want to be more successful in life, if you want to be more, the career oriented, or if you want to be more successful in life, you try to have this belief like, I'm lucky. If you feel I'm lucky, yes, I'm luckiest person, I'm luckiest. If you have this gratitude kind of thing in you, if you feel that you're lucky, definitely you can see the things in a better way. So why don't you try? So I hope many of you lucky here. So why don't you mention in the comment section if you feel lucky? With that note, this is Shakti signing off. Thank you so much.